yeah, all that. Okay, so welcome once again to the best guitar video you've ever seen. Okay, now probably you've been watching several bass guitar videos, okay, but this very one, I assure you that you might not have even come across it before now. Okay, so I'll be taking you through a journey. Okay, the journey is knowing what a bass guitar is, the role it plays. Okay, so just ensure you watch to the end. Okay, let me start from the headstock. Okay, this part is called the headstock. This part, I want to assume you can see this properly. This is called the headstock. Okay, these are the tuning pegs. All right, so this is the nut. This part here is called the nut. Then you have some divisions. Those are called the frets, and of course the part where all those frets, all those divisions are, is called the fretboard. Okay, then you have the string, of course. Then the dots here are called the position markers. Okay, now between this place and this part, you have something you call an octave. So it's as if you are starting again. The same thing you have here, you have just in a shorter frame. Okay, then we'll go to this other part. We have this is the top, or some people will just call it the bass guitar body. Okay, then you have this where you put the strap. Okay, this is called the strap button, the button that holds the strap that you use in suspending the bass guitar. Okay, then of course the pickups. These are the devices that brings out the sound. Okay, that amplifies the sound. Then of course the tone knobs. Okay, depending on the bass or the guitar you are using. This could be the volume, the mid, then the treble. So that's just basically. Then you have the bridge itself. This is called the bridge. Okay, then you have the saddle. Okay, then anything I'm left with this very part where you plug in the jack plug. Okay, that is called the jack plug hole. Okay, then of course this is the jack. Is there anything I'm left with? Then this part. Okay, of course I mentioned the strap. This is the strap button. Then the strap is what suspends the bass guitar. Okay, basically I think that is for the part. Then okay, now I mentioned something from the start of the video. I said today I'll be taking you through the journey of knowing what a bass guitar is. I said a bass guitar is a musical instrument that plays the low notes. It serves as a background to every song. Now when there is no bass in a song, it sounds kind of empty. So bass helps you to put the background. It helps you to get the balance, okay, of every other instrument. Okay, what next? Okay, and also I'll be showing you the open notes of the bass guitar, the open notes. Okay, and one thing I want you to take note of is that the strings are counted from down upwards. Okay, string 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, some guitars, okay, probably for beginners, you have 4 strings. Okay, so this is G. Okay, the first string G, D, A, E, and B. Okay, you can look for an acronym that would actually make you remember those things easily. Okay, so the string 1, I said, is called G. You can look for an acronym, probably, okay, go down and eat probably bread. You can look for your own acronym that works for you. Okay, this is just mine, so just a suggestion. Okay, then you can look for something that works more for you. Okay, so thanks for watching.